create a space you're looking forward to each day and can enjoy in any season or climate. At its heart, a sleek showpiece, the Primo 2 luxury linear gas fireplace from Heat & Glow. The secret to year-round comfort is our technology for automatic control of the heat. That means you can relax around a fire all day long, or add heating capability if you prefer. For infinite design possibilities, bring any combustible material right up to the opening in a clean finish, and tailor the interior to fit your look. With driftwood, birch, or oak logs, crushed glass that sparkles in the firelight, architectural stone, black reflective glass, or a column interior. You can even choose an impressive double-sided view. The Primo 2 is easy to run by remote, with your smartphone, or even by voice with our app. Get ready to kick back with family and friends at a time when rest and rejuvenation have never been more important. Experience the next big thing in linear fireplaces. Primo 2 from Heat & Glow at your local authorized dealer.